Bay of An, Dakar, Senegal. Looks pretty amazing from here, but there's a big underlying problem, which we'll get into. I'm here to take care of some important business, one that could save mine and others' lives. And Sami, he's the gentleman who'll tell us more about what happened here.
Well, I'm getting a bunch of things done here in Dakar. Where should I start? The list was fairly long. Most important thing was getting the sail repaired because I had gotten a couple more tears when I tried to leave with Wendy a few months ago. As well, I've got a dry dock, which we're going to do a bit later. But really important thing was the security elements of Galopin. And that meant getting my fire extinguishers serviced, so they're like new now, as well as my life raft. They're doing a general service on the life raft. They're going to replace the emergency fireworks, all the stuff that's inside, and it's going to be, like new. So here's my life raft. It was in here, and they opened it up to check that it inflates, checking that it's got no air leaks or holes in it or anything like that.
Donc il n'y a pas de trou. Et les volts tiennent la pression. Tu sais, il y a la bouteille pour la quantité pour que ça le gonfle. Ça, ouais. Il faut qu'il l'amène pour le faire éprouver, pour voir s'il est en bon état et tout ça.
Okay.
Donc ça, il l'a amené.
And that's part of the process of checking it, make sure that it's in good working order, is to inflate it. I had no idea. So I'm just waiting for the guy to finish it up, pack it back up, and then it'll be ready to go and hopefully never have to use it. That I had to do to satisfy the insurance on the boat. It cost me a little bit of money, about $300 to do that, but it's well worth it. After all, it is a life raft, even though I have a lot of faith in Galopin. I mean, we never know what can happen out there. Fire extinguishers, I haven't used them, but a good thing to have functioning fire extinguishers. I also have one of those fire blankets just in case.
So Sorna has been washing our clothes. And this young man here did a small but solid welding job on my bathing platform.
Yellow, il a bien travaillé, ton associé. Ouais.
He works with Yellow here, the welder elder, who I've worked with before. The young man is his apprentice.
Where Diego's fixing my sails.
Not just my mainsail, but my roof dodger, lazy bag, and this cushion he just finished.
Voilà Sorna, la plus belle.
La plus belle. Qui fait le thé au gingembre, qui donne la force.
Avec laver des habits.
Ouais, elle fait tout ça pour nous. There you go. As well, I got my roof dodger all fixed up. You may notice that it was, tearing up here and reinforced, plus a couple of the plastic windows were all nasty, and now it's all nice and new. As usual, I'm very happy with the service here. I've got a couple of other things. I'm gonna have to have my dinghy patched up again because some doofus kids stabbed it back in Palmera over there in Sal. And so I'm annoyed at that. I had some patches and I was able to fix it with some PVC glue, but it's not ideal. So the guy here, Robert, is gonna fix that. And I'm gonna do that when I'm on the dry because I've been using the dinghy with the oars. My outboard also, I'm gonna trade in my 5 horsepower for 3.5 horsepower. And it's basically new Yamaha. He's giving me a really good deal. Before we leave, right now, I have no problems rowing back and forth. In fact, it's good for the muscles, and it's not that far to row. So not only am I taking care of my sweet little Wendy here in Dakar, but I'm taking care of my sweet big Galopin who needs good care. Boats they're like women. You got to take care of them, talk sweetly to them, give them what they need, and then they take care of you. If you don't, you're fucked.
Speaking of which, Wendy and I regularly went across the street to eat at Kadi's place. It's where I was introduced to local food. This is mafe, peanut-based sauce and beef over rice. and saga saga, made from potato leaves. So the last dish wasn't Wendy's taste, but I'm sure this will be.
Me, my Wendy, stuck in a French boulangerie. Boulangerie française. Let me go check me the Francis. Sap. He's discovering all the fine gastronomical tastes of France here in Senegal. All these had a pain au chocolat. Things are going super good here. You see, look, she loves it.
And there's always something worth looking at in the streets.
Então conta, Wendy, que você gostaria de Dakar, Senegal?
Tudo.
Gostaria de o quê?
Comida nice.
Yeah.
Só coisa nice, roupas, sapatos nice.
E gente?
Gente tá cool também, nice também.
Yeah. Mulher bonita, guys bonito.
Guys bonito e mulher bonita também.
And here's another taste that Wendy must try.
Yeah? First time Wendy's ever had a cocoa like this.
It wasn't quite what she imagined. Maybe it should have had some ice and rum in it. So this bay from a distance is spectacular, but up close is another story. And at the end of this pier is a resident gentleman who'll explain.
Okay, I want to take you to meet Sam here in his little fishing hut here that he's made. He's been here forever, and he's been telling me about this place, how it used to be beautiful and clean. Bonjour Sam, ça va? Bien. Bonjour Sam.
Bonjour.
Ça va?
Oui.
Alors raconte-moi, tu es ici depuis combien de temps toi? Tu habites ici?
51 ans.
51 ans.
Oui.
Et
là, je vis.
tu me racontais que cette plage un jour c'était magnifique, c'était beau, et puis...
Cette plage fut la plus belle de l'Afrique de l'Ouest. J'étais au Brésil, j'ai vu des plages magnifiques là-bas, mais pas plus magnifiques que celle d'Anne.
Et alors, qu'est-ce qui s'est passé?
Bon, il y a ce qui a causé l'insalubrité, c'est les canaux qui déversent sur la baie. Tous les égouts de la ville de Dakar se déversent sur la baie d'Anne.
Tous?
Oui.
Wow.
Ce qui m'écoeure, c'est que nos enfants viennent s'y baigner à tout moment. Et on ne peut pas se baigner en mer sans en avaler une goutte.
Non.
Vous voyez?
Alors, tu disais, c'était à cause d'une surpopulation qui est venue trop rapidement. Hein?
Ça, on peut le dire, parce que les gens qui sont venus des régions, pour rejoindre Dakar, ils se sont implantés le long de la baie d'Anne, donc il y a eu une surpopulation.
Et maintenant, il y a un futur quand même. Tu vois le futur avec la station d'épuration là?
Oui, ça va faire quelque chose, surtout avec notre nouveau président, que j'aime bien, parce que c'est un gosse qui promet, quoi.
Et comme tu disais, il aime son pays, il aime son peuple.
Il aime son pays et il aime sa population.
Donc tu as de l'espoir, tu es optimiste, positif pour le futur?
Oui, avec lui, je pense que ça va aller.
Ça va aller. Okay.
Ça va aller.
When I was a kid in Switzerland in the 70s, we would go to Italy and France, and compared to our country, it was disgusting there too, as was in America. But with time, the people cleaned up. And as it were, a few days later, an army of volunteers were out doing just that, cleaning up.
Looks like they're mobilizing to clean the beach here. With all this garbage, they're gonna go pick it up, get the whole population involved, Sami, all these people. That's good. Like I said, I have faith in Senegal. They'll clean this place up, man. It's too beautiful, it's too cool.
Salam alaikum.
Beautiful indeed, but there's another side here. Hello, welcome to Galopin. These are our studios, man. This is where the magic happens. It's humble, but it gets the job done. It's because of the great people like you on Patreon who make this happen. This Living Adventure series. I hope you'll join our community. We've got some extra perks like live updates, news, photos, videos, and I've even taken a stab at writing some short stories which are not for general audiences on YouTube. And our friend Graham from Australia set up a WhatsApp chat to aptly called Galopin's Cockpit. Guys from all over have joined, and it's this community that's contributing to the continuation of this Living Adventure series. If not, you can always watch us for free on YouTube. Make sure to give us a like or a dislike, make a comment, make your opinion heard. I'll try to get back to you. Thanks for watching this episode of Voyage, a real Living Adventure series. It's not fake, baby.